doesn't like recognize me, but it's totally not her.
I see that. You do?
Walking trail, but it's black.
Oh, is it?
Zio, are you happy to be at Mimi and Papa's house?
Isn't it? I love it. It smells like clothes.
Moving forward this time.
I know last time you saw him was moving back. Come here, buddy.
There we go. Look at him go. Oh.
We go.
Mom said, be sure to get video of the ingredients.
Oh man.
Look at all that butter. Well, you're pouring that molasses or whatever that is. Can you explain to our audience what we're doing today?
We are making Nana's molasses cookies. It has been a lifelong dream of mine to learn how to make cookies like this as good as my mom did.
Wow. Did she learn
My
it?
mom always said she wanted to learn how to make them as good as her mom did.
Oh my goodness.
So, I don't know. Maybe we lose something every generation. I don't know.
Did Eve start this?
Mom, where did the recipe come from? Who's the
My
first
great
person?
grandmother.
Her great grandmother.
And I don't know where she got it from.
Great grandmother. Woo.
So your great grandmother was my great
Great-great-grandmother.
their great grandmother. Guys, this is a special recipe from your great grandmother.
Isn't that crazy?
Been in the family for many
She must have been really great.
She was at least 3 times great.
Mimi will give you directions in just a moment.
It's just a bowl for them. So let's go faster.
Good job.
Like a big tank. We ran up to it.
That looks good.
Yeah, you can mix it.
I want some molasses too.
So she's going to sift, what, 4 to start with?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. 2.
Mix it so all the white disappears into the ground. So you said 4 cups, Mom?
And guys, don't worry about the table runner. If it gets anything on it, I will wash it.
Call me annoying. That's normal. I call Miranda annoying. Yeah. That's just
Oh my goodness.
I'm so annoying. I know.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh yeah.
There's got a mouth and eyes.
How are you doing, Anthony? You need help too?
I need help mixing.
It's just really like dry and crumbly. I just wanted to get all of the ingredients kind of mixed in there.
And then start rolling it up.
Oh, it's getting flat.
But mix in the flour if you got a little too much. I think I did that. Mix the flour into it.
Mine looks like chunky chocolate pudding.
He's
Like,
gonna
can you
make a
send the
compilation
video to me?
video.
Can we send you a video?
And Papa, just send a video to Mommy, and then Mommy will send the video. Make the camera so it looks over the book.
Okay.
Do you want to do the pumpkin one? Pilgrims. Okay, the snowman one.
Right down 175. Is it 3 minutes?
Hi.
Magic flower appeared.
And then I can add 2.
Did you sift this flour?
Nice.
This came from the sky.
So now it's time to
Nana must have had strong muscles.
She did. Sometimes she would get vampire that would help her sit.
Still needs a little bit.
wash your hands.
Okay. You want to put it, have him put it in the oven?
Okay.
Be very careful not to burn yourself. Just put it right on the top. Okay. Can't quite reach.
I'm done with Christmas ones.
Alright.
Christmas ones.
An extra layer.
Extra layer. Nah, definitely need an extra layer. I made my own cookie shape.
Love it.
Just a little bit more dough left.
Whoa, Abraham, good job. Nose. Sayla's nose. She pointed to my nose.
Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? You like your nose? Touch your nose? Touch your nose.
Okay, baking day at Mimi's. Oh, yay. Bundle up, it's time to go out across the drifts of snowy leaves. Past the pond, so smooth and clear, little cottage drawing near. Da, 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 da. Flip the pan and out it pops. Cut in squares and frost the tops. Add some sprinkles, wrap each one, tie a ribbon, nearly done. Tasty treats in pretty bags, each one marked with little tags. Coats and boots and hats and gloves, the hugs we know that Mimi loves. You better believe it, right, Gideon? Was that? What do you think, buddy? We just have one full one left, and then a half one.
She's in the food bowl. She's got a macaroni noodle. Some little worms. They like worms too.
There's nothing like the heat from a fireplace.
And you're right, that's nothing like the heat from a fireplace.
Enjoying your cookie? Cookie? How about you, Zill? You enjoying your cookie? You enjoying eating your cookies?
Oh yeah, I haven't had one yet, but
Are you not gonna eat them raw?
no.
I thought you loved cookie dough.
I do, but not molasses cookie dough.
Oh, you got your cookie? Where's mine? Mm.
Any on the right there.
Where do I go get a cookie?
On the right? Yeah, all of those.
Are these good to eat? Mmm. It's good. Mmm.
This is so much fun. I hope this becomes an annual event